Hey everybody, this is Nick Franklin. It's February 3rd and I'm at the WikiSpeed shop here in Linwood, and I just want to give you guys a quick and dirty idea of my quick and dirty alignment system that I made. And the cool thing about this is it'll get you in the ballpark pretty close, and having proper alignment will reduce tire wear and increase handling. So basically the idea here is to get these two front tires pointed straight forward, perfectly parallel, when the steering wheel is locked in the center position. And the way that I've decided to go about doing that, which may not be the best, most efficient way or whatever, it's just the first idea that came to mind, and it seems to be working pretty well so far. Basically, I've taken these two pieces of metal here, and I've securely zip tied them to the wheel. These are about as tight as I can get them, and this metal is actually resting on the two highest points of the tire. So that happens to be this lip right here. So I've made sure that this bar is stretched across that point and that point right there, and that way I can assume that this bar is going to be perfectly parallel with this. So these are all pretty tight. Got the same thing going on over here, and the way that we'll make our adjustments is by rotating the inner tie rod ends. And the key thing, make sure that your steering wheel is locked in the center position. Since we don't have a lock right now, I just have to keep checking it to make sure that it is centered, and I'd say it pretty much is right there. And basically what we do is we use a tape measure, and we're going to pick 2 points, and we're going to measure the distance between these two bars at those 2 points. And once those measurements are equal, then we'll know that the two bars are perfectly parallel. And when the bars are parallel, we can assume that the tires are also perfectly parallel. So you can see right here, the 81 1/4 mark is right in the middle of this dip in the bar right here. So we're going to check to see down here at the end of the bar if we have the same results. And I've kind of gone back and forth and adjusted these, and I'm pretty sure that we're there right now. And let's see, I would say that's perfect. So you can kind of see what I've done here, and I'm excited. I think it's going to work really well. Alright guys, good luck.